like the blogs talk about him so much. He makes handcrafted furniture. We're getting married. We need to be adults.
We need
like,
to
yes,
up
we're
our game. We are out of Ikea.
Yes.
Out of
fuck Ikea. We are never going there again. Like,
not one. I mean, like, we'll get like
crafted furniture.
Yes.
It's like what adults do.
Right. And we can get pots and pans at Ikea still, right? Like.
I don't think so.
Really?
I think we're past it.
We're out.
I think
all right.
We're out.
Go
I
us.
think we're out.
Nice.
That was fucking stupid.
Dude, I'm shook by those prices. That is what?
I mean, okay. I guess he's like handcrafting it himself, whatever, but like, no, I'm not paying $15,000 for a piece of furniture.
There's no way.
Like, that's
there's no
stupid.
way. And it was like, yeah, it was comfortable. I'm not gonna
I mean,
like,
it was beautiful,
yes,
but like, okay.
but
maybe that's like, we went a little bit too crazy.
Yeah,
I think we need to like go to like a West Elm. That's like a young, cool adult.
That's very
like
us. Like, just like, we're a step up.
I agree. It's like, you know, showing like that we have fashion sense. We're cool too.
Right.
Like, look, oh my God, look in the fucking window. It's beautiful there.
Yeah.
And this is going to be our price range.
This is going to be us.
This is going to be us. It's like, it's several steps above Ikea.
I mean, it's like, it's not even in the same ballpark.
No.
One, it's two names. So
yeah,
that's already
exactly.
like double.
I'm excited.
Me too. We got this. Could like look online or something.
There were no deals there.
I mean, they said 20% off, but that's like off of.
Okay, hear me out real quick.
Okay.
Like, Ikea's not bad.
I mean,
like, I feel like like, who are we trying to fucking impress? You know, exactly. Like, Ikea has nice things.
Yeah, and it's all about if you like really walk through slowly.
Yes,
like,
and if like we absolutely, it's not Target.
Yeah. No, it's not Target. I mean.
Yeah, I mean, like, cool people shop at Ikea.
Yeah.
Adults shop there.
There's every time I've been there, an adult has been there.
Oh my God,
so
every time.
For sure.
Yeah.
For sure. And you know what? Like, honestly, Target's not that bad either. They're kind of coming up.
I mean, Joanna Gaines does have a line there.
Right?